Sometimes one opportunity is all it takes to change your entire career. If you are freshers and dreaming of starting your journey in data analytics with a global banking giant, this is HSBC opening cloud to be breakthrough you have been waiting for. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting opportunity for freshers, final year students as aspiring data analytics analyst. HSBC has opened application for the role of analyst in Mumbai. And the best part of is this, like freshers graduate are welcome to apply for this opportunity. This is not just another job posting, it is an opportunity to start your career with one of the world's largest banking and finance institution. Let's quick understand what is the role is all about. As a data analyst, in at HSBC, your primary responsibility will be analyzing, campaigning the performance, customer engagement data, and business metrics to help them make better decision at HSBC. You will work on data collection, dashboard creation, reporting, and generating insights that directly impact the business outcomes. You will work on data collection. This company will also is also looking for the candidates who have strong analytical thinkings, problem solving abilities, and willingness to learn the things. Even if you are not expert in each and every tool, don't worry. Basic exposure to SQL, Python, Power BI, Looker, or BigQuery is considered a plus, but it's not mandatory. So let's come and talk about what is the eligibility criteria for a candidate. Candidate must be having with bachelor or master degree in computer science, statistics, mathematics, engineering, economics, or related field can apply. Even final year students are eligible. This position is offered under apprenticeship program for 1 year, and after successful completion, candidate will receive an Government of India certificate of proficiency through the NATS portal. What makes this opportunity special is that HSBC is looking for the people with a growth mindset, learning agility, communication skills, and curiosity about the data and emerging technologies. Many times they hire people who are willing to learn and adapt and grow. If data analytics is the field you want to build your career in, don't miss this opportunity. Apply as soon as possible before the deadline approaches. So for applying, you just have to click on the apply now, and you will have to fill the basic details uh, which he will ask. And please remember, upload the ATS proved your CV. Like ATS must recognize it within 90 plus or 99 plus efficiency, and the rest all are the basic information which you have to put in this fields, and click apply. You will able to apply the things. Rest all is very minimal basic thing which I hope you will be knowing all this, all those things. So मिलते हैं next video पे. Till then keep learning. Best of luck for this opportunity. Bye bye, goodbye.